Do you ever get one of those days where you haven't done something for so long, and then once you actually do that thing, you completely forget how to do it? Yeah, that is, uh, that is me right now. Seriously, I have no idea. I'm back after so long, and if you're seeing this video on a Wednesday, there's a pretty good chance you're watching this on a Wednesday, the day before I go back to school. Yes, I'm going back to school on Thursday. I see it as an absolute win. So while I was gone, for some reason, I was I saw on the channel that for some reason there's a whole bunch of anime videos. I don't even watch anime, but yeah, um, been really busy with school, and there's also some personal things going on in life because I have a life outside of YouTube. In case you didn't know, people have lives besides what they do. But anyway, to start off this return, I suppose, we will play Will You Press the Button? Probably can't see because my thing is in face cam is in the title, but at least I'm actually back with a video. You're welcome. So the first question is, you can read everyone's mind, but everyone can read yours. So it's a bit more open communication. Yeah, I guess. I pressed. I didn't know that would happen. Are you serious? People wouldn't do that? Hold on. Let's, come on. Okay, there. Eat whatever you want when you want to eat it, but you have to dress up as a potato. Interesting. Um, on the one hand, I've already lost so much of my dignity, but on the other hand, I can eat whatever I want, but it's also not ending well, so no, I will not. Because I basically already eat whatever I want. Or if I'm just, you know, someone makes a suggestion for dinner and I usually end up going with it. You get the fastest internet in the world, but the scary face comes up on your computer every 30 minutes. Now, for those of you who don't know, the scary face is like, if you played the Scary Maze, which my older cousin actually tricked me into doing once. Um, no. Okay, no. No. Alright, I guess 46 out of 54. Hmm. I'm pretty sure that says something about the character. Like, where is she from anyways? Like, that scary face thing? You get to spend a whole week with your favorite celebrity, and they like you at least as a friend, but you have to listen to Pitbull's whole. Oh god, that came out wrong. That came out so wrong. Pitbull's whole discography. I was saying discography and whole, and it came out as that. Oh my god! That's how I know it's been a while. Because I don't know how to speak correctly. Like, I've tried to record this like 2 or 3 times, but I still have no idea how to answer it. I mean, I've listened to a few of his songs, not bad. And again, the only two parts I actually heard him in were Kesha's Timber and Enrique Iglesias' What was the name of that song? Hang on. Enrique Iglesias, I Like It. I think that was the one. Yeah, that was it. So, yeah. Wow. Apparently there's a lot of Pitbull fans, or at least ones who find him tolerable. How much, how much, how many music, how much music has he made anyways? You become a Transformer, but you rust exactly 1 year later and die. I mean, I guess if I were a Transformer, I could turn it to my dream car. Like, I could turn it into a 1969 Dodge Charger and drive around as that, or even the DeLorean from Back to the Future, or the '67 Impala from Supernatural. But I'm just gonna end up rusting and dying in 1 year anyways. I'm like, oh, what's the point? The year being my dream car is also gonna be my last year. Like, so basically, I'd be going out like Ironhide, from Transformers: Dark of the Moon. No, I will not press the button. I don't want to spend the last year of my life being a dream car that will inevitably die. Like, at, at that point, what is the point, huh? You get to marry your crush. You can get so far even though I don't even have a crush. But you have to spend 24 hours unarmed fighting shovel-wielding Russian Spetsnaz? The heck is a Russian Spetsnaz? Hold on. Oh, crap. Russian... Oh god. I hate to clean my desk. Oh god. What fell? Oh no. Well, that's what I get for having a cheap screen holder. Oh, Spetsnaz. I think that's how you pronounce it. Spetsnaz. Oh. Spetsnaz is an umbrella term for special purpose in Russia and is used in numerous post-Soviet states. So it's like Russian military? Like, how many of them are there? How many of them am I fighting? So I'm 5'1". Those guys are like probably 6'4" or 2 if I'm lucky. On the one hand, they don't have guns, but on the other hand, they have shovels. Like, where would we be exactly? I mean, like, so basically, I get to spend the rest of my life with someone if I end up surviving 24 hours. Because it doesn't say I have to kill him. It doesn't say that I have to. But I have to spend 24 hours. Yeah, I mean, like, as long as we're not trapped in a room or in an area, so I could find. As long as I can find a way out, yeah. Some of these are almost split down the middle. Like, wow. I'm gonna bet some of these guys, like, haven't even been married. Let's see. Half-Life 3 is released, but it's only 4 hours long, and has you driving 50% of the game. Okay. I'm gonna make a little confession here. I have never... Oh, that works so much better. I have never played Half-Life 1 or 2. I'm not sure if we even intend to play it. But if we do... I'm not even a big Half-Life fan, but all I do know is that apparently it's like something of a shooting game. I don't really know. So no, considering I don't have any experience with that, no. You get a genie lamp, but the wishes are used. The genie uses against you. So do I like not get the wish? Like, if I want a phone, does that mean that the phone just craps out on me, or does he like? I mean, he says the wishes you use, the genie uses against you. So, like, against me how? Like, to fight me, or to kill me? I mean, what if that? What if one of the wishes was for world peace? How can he use that against me? I mean, if I were to ask for a Lego set, I could just end up stepping on a brick. So, depending on what the wish is, I mean, I've stepped on Legos before. Ouch, by the way. Yeah, I'll roll the dice. Which one do you guys order the Lamborghini? Hmm? Did anyone order a Lamborghini? No? A day with a celebrity? I'm pretty sure he'd kill you. Or something. God, do you know how demonetized my videos would be? And the fact that my parents are probably busting in right now. They're not even home. There's a good chance I'll be able to upload this before they get back home. You could transpire any part of your body in any way, any place, or time. So like Doctor Strange's portals, but they go through time and space. Alright. But each time you did so, you would reduce your lifespan by a week. Oh. Well, this is an interesting development. Like, there's not really anything I can do. I mean, instead I could put in any part of my body. Like, can you put my whole body? Like, oh, I forgot this. You open up a portal. No, I could Oh no, I could transfigure any part of my body in any way, in any time or place. I don't even know what that means. And I'm willing to bet that half of this video is like me trying to figure out how to okay. A complete change of form or appearance into a more oh, okay. So I can change any part of my body anytime I want. Hang on. Any part of my body. So basically I could shapeshift, but every time I do shapeshift, it takes a week off of my life from when I'm gonna die. But what if it depends on when I die? Like, oh man, it's a tricky one. And I guess that's the point now. They're supposed to be tricky. Um. Hmm, like, maybe I can make my torso, but like, if I were to keep it fixed on, like, let's say if I were to just change the shape of my body, like, I can make my hand longer, or I could just make myself taller, like if by giving myself a bigger torso, would that continuously take off weeks? Like, I don't know, but you know what? Yeah, I'll I'll do it. Probably no, I won't do it. And let's get the elephant out of the room. Yes, I'm with you, but there are people who are probably thinking of their junks because sex. 50. Why are a lot of these almost split down the middle? Jeez. I thought Civil War was divisive. The actual comic storyline itself, not the movie. You get military retirement benefits without having to work in the military. But you have to attend Marine Advanced Training for a full 2 years. Ugh. Yeah, like, I hate doing military stuff. And, no, the guy in my school who actually does this kind of stuff, like, helps kind of train them in a way, like, JROTC stuff, it is a pain. Like, what's most ironic is that people who I know who are in JROTC are, like, people who screw around the most. And I know there's, like, this one girl who was kind of like that, but she's still in. And I'm like, how are you still in? Like, what are their benefits, anyways? And in case you're wondering why I'm not looking it up on my phone, A, that would take too long. B, my phone is over there charging. So, I mean, it's 2 years, but those 2 years are also going to affect the rest of my life. So, hey, well. Oh my god. Well, you know, the results aren't interesting if they're all almost split down the middle. Okay. You can have a man/woman in your dreams. I'm assuming they're meaning neutral gender, so that way, you know, whoever swings which way they do, they can have that gender. But you both die 24 hours. Well, that kind of ruins it. I mean, like, what if he didn't even know she was the one? Like, the woman or man of her dreams? Like, if you both die in 24 hours, then, like, what's the point of it in the first place? The closest thing I've had to that was my ex in freshman year. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I'm willing to bet I didn't. Okay, yeah. See, a lot of people agree with me on this. Like, I feel like I want to make some kind of morbid joke about the 25%, but even then, you can see the future, but you can't change it. No, I guess that kind of ruins. I mean, if you can't change it, then what's the point of seeing it? Like, what if a war breaks out? I mean, I guess it kind of depends on the circumstances. Like if there's a war that's gonna happen in some time soon, which, considering the political aspect of everything going on right now, I wouldn't be that surprised. There's a good chance they're not gonna believe you. Heck, trying to stop it may even cause the war. So, sure, if I can see the future, but if I can't prevent it, then, like, that's, like, how far into the future? Like any point in time? Like, the next few minutes or years? But if I can't change it, I mean, if it's like that one commercial with Jim Parsons or Pearsons, where he's doing those commercials and there's that future guy. He was in the Dell commercials. but no. This isn't Tribe 12. Okay, so that's not a split down the middle as I originally thought. Wait a minute. I didn't see the... I mean, I did see the percentage, but I didn't think about it until now. And for those of you who don't know, Tribe 12 is like a... Just look it up. It has something to do with time travel. Eat whatever you want without having... or receiving negative health benefits. Eat whatever you want, like burgers, fries, without receiving any negative health benefits. That sounds a little contradictory. What is the actual definition of a benefit? I know it's for like something that helps, but you lose your ability to speak verbally. Oh god. Uh, I'm... You know what? I'll leave this up to you. So, thank you all for watching. Sorry it's been so long, despite the fact that I've had the whole summer. I was on a trip for a couple of weeks, but, even then. I'll hopefully try to make more videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!